Welcome back, everybody. As you know, last video I took cylinder number 2 rod cap off, found that the bearing spun some more, but it is what it is. Today I'm going to take the rest of the piston rods out, take a look at the rest of the crank journals. Really not going to be reusing it, but just taking a look. It is what it is. I'm going to take the pistons out, show you guys the pistons, the rods, show you the cylinder bores the best I can. You know, not reusing it, really don't matter. Like I said, I do have an engine in the backyard in a car that I'm gonna take out. You guys will get to see that. The car's been sitting for a little bit, but the engine was fresh, whatever. So enjoy the ride. Like I said before, like, subscribe, let me know what I'm doing good, let me know what I'm doing wrong. I can only fix things when I'm being told I'm doing them wrong, but it is what it is. But enjoy, and here we go. So we all saw what happened. I dropped the piston, hit the ground. It ain't too bad. Don't worry about it. Accident. Put it in the box. I will be selling the pistons with the rods. Everybody knows the rods are messed up. One of them at least, cylinder number 2, but the pistons, just re-ring them. So up to you. I'm gonna sell them cheap, so somebody who just wants to rebuild. Alright guys, so like I said, I was gonna show you the other car. Don't crucify me. It's in pretty bad shape. It's been sitting in my backyard. Like I said before, we were using it for parts from a buddy's car. So there it is. You know, motor, tranny, all that stuff is gonna come out of it. Don't need the tranny, but oh, gotta unlock it. There's the dogs. Come here. What are y'all doing? yeah, here it is. Don't be too upset. It's been sitting back here, and you know anybody who has a house, anything sits in the backyard, you know what happens when you don't take care of it. It's not on the concrete slab. So there it is. I'm gonna clean it up real good before I do anything with it, because it is in a pretty nasty shape. But it won't be that way when I go back in. If anybody needs any parts or anything off of it, let me know. We will be selling the tranny, wheels, tires. It's got coilovers on it. I think they're like race lands, but somebody wants them. Also, downpipe. It's got a custom straight pipe exhaust from the cat back. So let me know. But like I said before, guys, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at Black Mazda. It means a lot to me. This is what I like to do, man. Again, thank you guys for watching.